Good morning everyone, I am Amolek. I study in 7th grade and today is the day 81st of getting fluent in English of the 90 days. And guys, as you all know, only 9 days are left. We are getting fluent in English every day in every way. Let's push ourselves and let's cross the finish line, get fluent by any way, and let's become more fluent than we were, and now let's become more fluent than we are. Now let's get going towards it. As you all know, today's topic is five more words which SRK used in TED Talks. SRK is a fantastic spoken English speaker, and he's a native speaker. So I want you all to know some words which Shah Rukh Khan used, so that you can use those words and your personality would boost like anything. Now let's get going towards it, and the first word for today is catapulted. Catapulted means derived from the catapult. Derived from the catapult. Now guys, in many of my videos I was telling the sentences with the words which I was telling, but now I want you all to frame the sentences. I was noticing that I was asking you to frame the sentences, but you were not doing so. But now I want you to do so. Please do so. I would like it, and the sentence word which I would like the most, I will tag it and in my next video, so that you can be tagged in my videos. Now the second word for today is colossally. Colossally means in a way that is cruel. In a way that is cruel. This is a very nice word. You might have not heard this because it is a not very regularly used word by many of the speakers or native speakers. Now the third word for today is pertinent. Pertinent is an adjective, and the meaning of this word pertinent is relevant. Relevant of something. Like it can be relevant of I can say that that is pertinent of that. Like you just fill up the that which I used as in question mark. Now the fourth word for today is pedal. It's not the pedal one pedal, but it's also the pedal. Now in English there are many words which spell the same, which when we speak they are the same, but the meaning is different. Now the meaning of the pedal is sell things by taking them to different places. There are some sellers who take their material which they need to sell to different places, and then they try to sell it. Now they peddle those things so that they can improve their selling market, and all of the ratio of the selling of the product would go higher. Now the last word for today, which is grappling. Grappling is a very nice word which you can use in your day-to-day conversation, because this can be relevant of using it in your day-to-day conversation. We all are included in some conversation in our daily life, so use these words there and your impression would be better. Now the word meaning is to fight in order to win something. To fight in order to win something. Like we need to fight for something to win something. Now I hope so that you all understand all of these words, and you will watch if you will watch my videos regularly, you will be able to learn these words, because in my previous videos I was telling the methods to learn these words also, so you can do like that and get fluent every day in every way. Now I hope so you liked this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for watching.